move and stack, move and stack and lock layers. How to move and stack and lock layers? You can easily, by the way, rearrange an image's layers in the layers panel or directly in the document window, and you can also lock layers to protect them. And how to change the stack order of layers and groups? You should do the following now. Drag the layer or group up or down in the layers panel and release the mouse button when the highlighted line appears where you want to place the layer or group. And second one, to move a layer into a group, drag a layer to the group folder, and if the group is closed, the layer, by the way, is placed at the bottom of the group. And after that, select a layer or group and choose layer, then choose arrange and choose a comment from the submenu. And if the selected item in the group, the comment applies, by the way, to the stacking order within the group. And if the selected item is not in a group, the command, by the way, applies to the stacking order within the layers panel. And after that, to reverse the order of selected layers, choose layers, then choose arrange, then reverse, and the options appear dimmed if you don't have at least 2 layers selected only. Note and be careful here, please now. By definition, the background layer is always at the bottom of the stacking order, and therefore the send to back command places the selected item directly above the background layer. And how to move the content of layers? How to move the content of layers? From the layers panel, select the layers containing the object you want to move, then select the move tool. And you can select also the layers that you want to move directly, and in the document window and in the move tools options bar, select auto select, then choose layers from the drop down menu, then shift click to select multiple layers, then select auto select, then choose group, and to select the entire group when you select one layer in the group. Number 3, in the document window, drag any object onto one of the selected layers, and all objects on the layer will move together, by the way, and then press an arrow key on the keyboard to nudge the objects by 1 pixel, and after that hold down shift and press an arrow key on the keyboard to nudge the objects by 10 pixels. How to rotate layers? How to rotate layers? From the layers panel, select the layer you want to rotate. Then if anything is currently selected in the image, choose select, then choose deselect, and choose edit, then choose transform, then rotate. And a box defining the boundaries, by the way, of the layer, called a bounding box, appears that, and move the pointer outside of the bounding box, and this pointer actually becomes a curved and 2 sides a row, and then drag press shift to constrain the rotation to 15 degrees increments. And after that, when you are satisfied with the results, press enter Windows and or return if you use macOS, and then click or check mark in the option bar. To cancel the rotation, press escape or click to the cancel transform icon on the option bar. How to lock layers? How to lock a layers? You can actually lock layers fully or partially or to protect their contents. And for instance, you may want to lock a layer fully when you finish with it, and you may want to lock a layer partially if it has the correct transparency and styles. But you are still deciding on positioning when a layer is locked, and a lock icon appears to the right of the layer name, and the lock icon is solid when the layer is fully locked and hollow when the layer is partially locked. And how to lock all properties of a layer or group? How to lock all properties of a layer or group? You have to select a layer or group, then click the lock all, then options in the layers panel. Note and be careful, layers in a lock group display a dimmed lock icon, by the way, a dimmed lock icon, and partially lock a layer, partially lock a layer. How to partially lock a layer? Select a layer, then click one or more lock options in the layers panel, and look transparent pixels confines editing to the opaque portions of the layer. This option, by the way, is equivalent to the preserve transparency option in earlier version of Photoshop. And how to look image pixels. Prevents modification of the layers pixels using the painting tools. And how to look position prevents the layers pixels from being moved. And note, and be careful, from type and shape layers, look transparency and look image are selected, by the way, by default and cannot be deselected. How to apply look options to selected layers or groups. How to apply look options to selected layers or a group. We have three options here now. Number one, select multiple layers or a group. Number two, choose look layers or look all layers in group from the layers menu or the layers panel menu. Number three, select look options and then click OK. Thank you.